Welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. We are going to learn Python in this series. So, firstly, we have to Python setup on our machine. To do that, first open official website of Python, that is python.org, and click on downloads. And I am going to use Windows machine for this. So click on Windows, and now I want to install latest version of Python, so click on Python 3.8.2 and scroll down below. You see the files section. In the file section we have to install the Windows x86-64 executable installer. So I already have Python in my machine, so I am not going to download it. Okay, now I am going to open my downloads to show how to install the Python which is downloaded in our machine. So downloads, here is my Python. So double click on it. My machine is quite slow. It opens like this. I have already installed Python in my machine, so it shows modify, repair and uninstall. If we install first time, it shows install, and below we have a checkbox to add path. We have to click the add path checkbox. We have to click the checkbox. If we cannot click the checkbox, we have to manually add the path. It takes some of the steps. So I have already Python set up in my machine, so I am going to cancel this. Next, we need a text editor. So I am going to use Sublime as my text editor, which is my personally favorite Sublime text editor, which is lightweight text editor. To download Sublime, we are going to official website of Sublime, that is sublime.com, and there is download for Windows. Click on it. Sublime will be downloaded on our machine. I have already Sublime also in my machine. So to check whether Python installed or not, go to command prompt. I am opening my command prompt. I am going to change the color to make it visible to you. I think now it is visible. To check Python is not installed correctly or not in our machine, type Python. Enter. If we get like this, the Python 3.8.1, which is latest version now, then Python is correctly installed on our machine. So